Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, I'm trying to make my own PANP buttons with the little board, and I'm doing that because 4 buttons in a little plaque like that is, for us Canadian, it's like 400 bucks. So I'm trying to save a little bit of money. I'm on a budget, and that's pretty expensive. Even the green and the red buttons on the lower console, 5 red and 5 green, just those buttons are 679 bucks for us. So I won't be paying that for those parts. It's just plastic buttons. So I'll make some with those button. So that's my I'm gonna put black vinyl on this, and I'll get back to you. So that's the result. I'll go and try to put that in the dash to see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like in the dash. It doesn't look too bad, and I'm going to take my sticker machine to put the power letters, power, pursuit, normal mode, or etc. So I'll do my own lettering. So yeah, I just saved myself about 400 bucks. So that's not too bad. And it doesn't look that bad. So all right. That's what I wanted to show you guys. Okay, bye.